Parker, I don't even know where to begin. I guess I'll start with timing. You walked into my life at the biggest time of confusion and uncertainty, and not because of the pandemic that our world was currently in. I just moved back from Australia, and at times I definitely felt lost. I was questioning everything, my career, my purpose, and which side of the world I wanted to live on. And then I met you.
Carly and Parker. What started as a simple swipe transpired into a deep relationship filled with mutual respect, support, love, 2 boisterous, fun-loving dogs, and a competitive pickleball obsession. May you both always care deeply and passionately for each other, protect each other, make each other laugh, and always remember that together you can conquer anything.
Carly, standing with you here today, I know I am exactly where I am meant to be. And I knew this day would come the first night we met. You are the best travel partner, dog mom, and the love of my life. You know how to make me laugh, and every day is more fun with you than the last. You are everything I have ever wanted in a life partner, and I am so excited to marry you.
Parker, you showed me that home is not a place but a person, and wherever this crazy life might take us, if I am with you, I am always at home. I promise to push and encourage you to be your best self, exactly as you have done and continue to do for me every day. I promise to persevere when times get tough, knowing that any challenge we might face, we will conquer together.
Beyond excited to continue to grow with you, travel the world, and start a family. I know that no matter what obstacle we face, at the end of the day, we will overcome it because it's you and it's always you.
Pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.